Welcome to Montreal, Canada. This is our continuation from our road trip from Toronto to Niagara Falls and to Ottawa. Now we are in Montreal. Enjoy! Montreal was established in 1642. What is now the province of Quebec, Canada. At the time of European contact, the area was inhabited by the St. Lawrence Iroquoians, a discrete and distinct group of European-speaking indigenous people. They spoke Laurentian. Jacques Cartier became the first European to reach the area now known as Montreal in 1535. When he entered the village of Hochelaga on the island of Montreal while in search of a passage to Asia during the Age of Exploration. 70 years later, Samuel Champlain unsuccessfully tried to create a fort trading post, but the Mohawk of the Iroquois defended what they had been using as their hunting grounds. Dito sa Montreal, nag-day tour kami to visit the city and its outside Montreal. It's a beautiful city here and we enjoy so much. So nag-enjoy kami guys mag-tour sa bus, hop on hop off para makita namin ang surroundings at ang city ng Montreal, Canada. Dito sa Montreal, mayroon surroundings ng 9 bridges. At saka ang Montreal subway, mayroon 68 station over 4 lines. No building in Montreal can be taller than the cross of the Montreal Mountain. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my short video here in Montreal, Canada. Abangan yung ating next stop at probably our last stop before going back to France. Ciao, ciao!